Cryptocurrency proponent Andreas Antonopoulos speaks about the fear that Bitcoin invokes around Wall Street. Even though there are burgeoning Bitcoin futures markets, and so a level of interface, there remains a diametrically opposed ideology between the two. In a recent interview, Bitcoin advocate, Andreas Antonopoulos spills the beans on Wall Street's fear of Bitcoin, as well as why any attempt, by Wall Street, to corner the Bitcoin market will only result in skyrocketing prices. Saunders of Nugget's News opened the discussion by highlighting the irreconcilable philosophical differences between Bitcoin and Wall Street. He then raised the point that Wall Street is attempting to tame the beast and bring it into the fold. To which Antonopoulos replies. Antonopoulos then expands on this statement by pointing out an often overlooked detail, that is, regulation is contrary to capitalism, in its truest sense, and that Wall Street has reaped the benefits of decades of favorable governance, until now. On that note, Antonopoulos remains confident that Bitcoin, the antithesis to all of this, is superior, and will win, on the grounds of being a better system. And in terms of the threat posed by Wall Street, Antononpolous believes any attempt to buy all of the Bitcoin will result in skyrocketing prices. Even so, Antononpolous downplays the effect of manipulation by saying Wall Street risks heavy exposure in manipulating markets, and that this is a practice that cannot present itself all of the time. All the same, market manipulation remains a fundamental problem with Bitcoin. And while Antonopoulos believes the risk exposure is too great for Wall Street, that doesn't take away from the fact that other parties, with vested interests, have the motivation and means to also manipulate the Bitcoin price. Only last week, Bitfinex and Tether filed a motion to dismiss a $1.4 trillion lawsuit on claims of market manipulation, with the worst possible outcome being a collapse of the Bitcoin price, and complete loss of investor confidence. And as much as Bitcoin is sound money based on a decentralized peer-to-peer system, that alone is not enough to win.